Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, where I share with you the latest tips and tricks on how to live a healthy and happy life. In today's video, we're going to talk about something that you probably have in your kitchen right now. Garlic. But not just any garlic. We're going to compare white garlic and black garlic and see which one is better for your health. You might be surprised by what you'll learn, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. What is black garlic and how is it different from white garlic? Garlic is one of the most popular and versatile ingredients in the world. It adds flavor and aroma to many dishes, and it also has many health benefits, such as boosting your immune system, lowering your blood pressure, and fighting infections. But did you know that there are different types of garlic and that they have different properties and effects on your body? One of the most interesting and unique types of garlic is black garlic. Black garlic is not a different species of garlic, but rather a product of fermentation. It's made by aging white garlic under controlled high temperature and humidity for several weeks until the cloves turn black and soft. This process changes the chemical composition and the flavor of the garlic, making it sweeter, milder, and richer than white garlic. It also increases the amount of antioxidants, which are compounds that protect your cells from damage and disease. What are the health benefits of black garlic? Black garlic has many health benefits that may outweigh those of white garlic, which hasn't been aged. Here are some of the most impressive ones, according to scientific research. It may help reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering your cholesterol, triglycerides, and blood pressure, and improving your blood circulation and antioxidant levels. It may help protect your cognitive health by reducing the inflammation and oxidative stress in your brain, which are linked to Alzheimer's and other neurodegenerative diseases. It may help protect your liver by preventing or reversing the damage caused by alcohol, toxins, or infections, and enhancing your liver function and detoxification. It may help regulate your blood sugar by improving your insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism and preventing or delaying the complications of diabetes. What are the health benefits of white garlic? White garlic, or raw garlic, also has many health benefits thanks to its active compound called allicin, which is responsible for its pungent smell and taste. Allicin is formed when you crush, chop, or chew garlic, and it has powerful antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. Some of the health benefits of white garlic are: it may help boost your immune system by stimulating your white blood cells, which fight infections and diseases, and by modulating your cytokines, which are molecules that regulate inflammation and immunity. It may help prevent or treat colds and flu by reducing the severity and duration of the symptoms, and by enhancing your natural killer cells, which are a type of white blood cell that kills virus-infected cells. It may help prevent or fight cancer by inhibiting the growth and spread of cancer cells, and by inducing apoptosis, which is the programmed cell death of abnormal cells. How to use white and black garlic in your diet. Both white and black garlic are delicious and nutritious additions to your diet. You can use them in different ways, depending on your preference and the type of dish you're making. Here are some suggestions. White garlic is best used raw or lightly cooked, as high heat can destroy its allicin and reduce its health benefits. You can add it to salads, dressings, dips, sauces, soups, stir-fries, or marinades, or simply eat it as a supplement. Black garlic is best used as a condiment or garnish, as it has a complex and sweet flavor that can enhance any dish. You can spread it on bread, crackers, cheese, or toast, or add it to pasta, rice, noodles, meat, fish, or vegetables, or simply enjoy it as a snack. So, there you have it, white versus black garlic, which is best for your health? The answer is both. They have different but complementary health benefits, and they can both make your food more delicious and satisfying. So, why not try them both and see which one you like better? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.